Quran. I live in Bangladesh. Was born in Maranganj. I did in madrasa. My madrasa name is Markazul Quran Al Islami Bangladesh. Mughar Chandwani Hafeja Madrasa. My father name is Yusuf Ali. He is an employee. My mother is a housewife. I have one brother and one sister. I love to read Quran and Hadith. So, honorable audience, I will now present the translation of Surah Ikhlas in front of you. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. قل هو الله أحد. Say He is Allah one. Allahu Samad. Allah the internal refuse. Lam yalid wa lam yulad. He neither begat nor is born. Wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad. Nor is there to him any equivalent. Please everyone pray for me and mother and father. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.